Install and configure of Ansible. What is Ansible? Ansible is the leading free and open source configuration management automation tool. With Ansible, Linux users can control and manage hundreds of servers from a single server, known as the Ansible control node. Ansible makes it possible for system and network administrators to provision software and settings on various network devices. Ansible can be used to manage both Unix and Windows host systems. Ansible was initially released 7 years ago. The latest stable version at the point of writing this article is Ansible 2.10.5. Unlikely, many other automation tools such as Chef and Puppet, Ansible writes on SSH protocol to communicate with remote host systems. Without the need of installing agents on remote system, Ansible comes highly recommended since very little CPU and RAM resources are used up by remote system. So installing Ansible, we have to fire the command as wget, and first we have to set up the EPL packages in the server. After that we have to fire the command as m install EPL release latest 7 notch.rpm, and after that we have to update that by using command as m update -y. So after that, Ansible dependency is a Python, so we have to install Python on this server before installing Ansible. By using the command m install git python -level python pip open ssl ansible -y, and after that we can check Ansible -version. So, in Ansible, create user and set sudo privileges. So by using the command user add Sachin, and for the Sachin we have to give the password by using the command as passwt space Sachin. So it is asking for the password, so you can give as you want, and after that we have to change the some file that is called vm etc sudos. So in that file we have to add in on below Sachin all and no password on line in the line of 101, and after that we have to save that file by using the command as wq. Set up SSH on all systems. So we have to go the file in the path of etc. Under etc ssh folder is there in ssh, under ssh hd.config. Permit root logins yes in that file, and remove the hash comment, and like passwordlet authentication yes, remove hash command, and permit empty password no, and password authentication no. And after that we have to save that file by using the command as wq. After configuring all this, we have to restart the daemon service of sshd. So by using the command systemctl restart sshd, it will restart the daemon service of the ssh. So after that we have to start ssh service must be running sudo systemctl status sshd. So if it is not active, then we have to start the sshd by using command as sudo systemctl start sshd. After starting the service, we have to restart the if you want to restart that service, so you can use the command as sudo systemctl restart sshd. So if you after starting the service, by using enable command of the service, you can achieve If you want to restart your server or instance, then it won't be you don't need to start again and again. If you enable the service, then it will automatically fetch the it will automatically start the service after restarting. Or after restarting, we need to create the host file in the etc under etc ansible directory. Sudo mkdir etc ansible. So in the ansible, we have to create the host file. So like suppose we have two servers, two web servers, so we have to add that IPs in that host file. Host file have the all host is a file. It consists of all IP addresses of the nodes. So generate SSH key and copy it to remote servers. So if you want to communicate with node servers, so you can create the keys like by using SSH key gen. Then it will create the two keys, public dot public key and private key. So after that, we have to copy that command. We have to copy that keys into the slave nodes. Use ping module to test commands. So by using ping command to test if they are communicating or not. Ping is used for ping command is used to communicate to servers. So you can check by command ping. So by using ansible -i etc ansible host web server -m ping. So ansible -host 192 dot you can use like this also. Ansible -i host space 192.168.1.3 -m ping. The -i option is used to provide the path of inventory file. You should get the same output for host group names. So ansible -host web -ping. To check the partitions on all remote hosts. Ansible -m command -a df-h web server. This command is used to check the partitions of on all remote hosts. Check the memory usage on all remote hosts. Ansible -m command -a free -m web server. By using this command, you can check the memory usage on all remote hosts and checking the uptime for all three servers. Ansible -m command -a uptime and host web servers. Thank you.